Welcome back, Model Assembly. We're here to present the best and brightest moments that added up to Model Assembly 2010.
But a picture is worth 1,000 words, so we'll let them explain for themselves.
Just how you feel. You got to roll with the punches and get to what's real. Can't you see me standing here? I got my back against the wrecking machine. I ain't the worst that you've seen. Can't you see what I mean? Might as well jump.
Like tag is tag. Bag is bag.
And milk instead of milk. And you know.
And there's words.
Yeah. You know.
And there's words that we use. There's words that we use in Alabama that aren't used here too, like gumption.
Gumption.
And
Yeah.
like if you're fixing to do something.
Yeah, fixing to do. Minnesotans don't understand what.
Might as well jump. Go ahead and jump. Get it and jump. Go ahead and jump. Jump. Just a small town girl living in a lonely world. She took the midnight train going anywhere. Just a city boy, born and raised in South Detroit. He took the midnight train going anywhere. A singer in a smoky room, the smell of wine and cheap perfume. For a smile they can share the night. It goes on and on and on and on. Strangers waiting up and down the boulevard. Their shadows searching in the night. Streetlights, people living just to find emotion, hiding somewhere in the night. Working hard to get my fill. Everybody wants a thrill. Paying anything to roll the dice. Just one more time. Some will win, some will lose. Some of them just sing the blues. Oh, the movie never ends. It goes on and on and on and on. Strangers waiting up and down the boulevard. Their shadows searching in the night. Streetlights, people living just to find emotion, hiding somewhere in the Don't stop believing.
We hope you had a great time this year.
Don't change the channel. We'll be back next year.
I'm Taylor Worthhauser,
And I'm Annie Melky. Goodbye, Model Assembly.
and have a pleasant tomorrow.